Okay, let's open the package first. Let's see if we have the right keyboard. The box is quite dented and bent, so thank you Lazada, I guess, for potentially ruining my keyboard. I hope it's not ruined. So there it is, the keyboard. Okay, so the keys have perfectly good prints on it. Keyboard looks new. Ooh. See that? The enter button sticks for some weird reason. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Of all the keys that could stick, it had to be the enter button. Oh well. That's probably because of mishandling. So, thumbs up Lazada for a good job in shipping. So here's my X220. So there you go. If I try there, notepad, and type a bunch of stuff, okay, bring it a little closer so that you can see. So the cursor is right there. I can move it with the arrow keys, but when I press home, nothing happens. I press end, nothing happens. Now I know the function key is working because I can turn on the keyboard light. The touchpad buttons, sometimes they don't work. So I will be removing the keyboard in a bit. So here's the laptop. I've got my tool. A Phillips head screwdriver will do for this one. So let's remove the battery first. So battery's out. Here's the new keyboard. So we'll be taking out the old one. First we will be taking out our Phillips head driver bit. So yeah, I'm not hoping there's a Phillips head bit here. I know there's one. So we'll be removing 2 screws. These are the retaining screws for the keyboard. They're fairly short. So set them aside where I can see them. Turn the laptop over and open. So for most Lenovo keyboards, you push the keyboard a bit towards the top, and then the bottom part here will unlatch, and then you can just pull it out. So sometimes it needs a little bit of coercion. There you go. Careful not to yank it out. There is a ribbon cable attached to it. So there's a tab right here where you can pull. There. It detaches. So this is the old keyboard. So if you want a side-by-side comparison with the new one and show you the dents of this new keyboard, I'll be happy to oblige. So this is the new keyboard. Look at that curve right there. This is the old keyboard at the bottom. See what happens in shipping? Yeah. So anyways, the old keyboard goes to one side. We will prepare the new keyboard because the cables are taped. Now I somehow managed to clean up the enter button by sliding alcohol wipes underneath and then rubbing it so it doesn't stick as much anymore. So here's the connector.
Yes.
Yes, my daughter said yes. Okay. Carefully peel that off. The shield here looks dented as well. Yeah, my daughter thinks it's funny. So anyways, the connector is right here, so the keyboard goes in that way. We connect the connector this way. We line it up with the connector, push it down. Don't need much force. Okay. Then what we do now is slide the top part in first, push the keyboard down and slide it down. It will lock. Okay, I think it's in now. So what we need to do is put the screws back in. Oh no, wait. Before I screw it back in, I need to test if it works. So we'll put on the battery, put in the battery. Okay. Now let's see if it works. If I installed it correctly, if I push the power button, it should turn on. And it does. Turn on. Caps lock light works now. In my old keyboard, the caps lock light doesn't work. So I knew there was something wrong. And there are times that the laptop goes on standby on its own. So we're booting on Windows now. There we go. The laptop automatically goes on standby mode for some weird reason. So now I know it's not the keyboard that's causing that. It's something else. There we go. We're in. So Windows key works. Caps lock light works. The keyboard light works. Now let's see if yes, the brightness now works. Thank you. So indeed, the home and end buttons were defective on the old one. Yeah, I'll just put the screws back in the keyboard. So there we go. Keyboard has been replaced. At least home and end works now, and the caps lock light works. Okay. Hit the like if you enjoyed this video. If not, you can hit dislike, put a comment below, suggestions maybe on how to fix this thing. That would be helpful. And my daughter is now a bit rowdy, so thank you for watching. Enjoy.